Welcome to AIM. Today we're going to check the weight and balance of a Mooney 20C. Per the maintenance manual, you would check the thing is installed correctly on the equipment list, which is in the weight and balance record. You would then ground the aircraft, drain the fuel tanks, fill the oil to capacity, 8 quarts. We're going to push it up onto the scales, take a level reading, and then get a weight reading.
Robin Murray. We just moved the airplane onto the scales. Now we have to level it before we can take a proper weight measurement. So to level it, the manual states that you want to use these line of rivets as your reference point. So we're going to put the level up to the line of rivets. We're going to look right here to see if the aircraft is level or not. Now it says it's too high in the front. So in order to adjust that, the manual states that we have to deflate air in the nose tire. Also, before a proper weight measurement can be had, all the seats must be in the upright position. That's how you level it.
Hi, I'm Nordy. As previously noted, the aircraft is not level. In order to level it, we gotta remove air from the front tire. I'm gonna do that now. Then it's gonna give me a signal when it's level.
Is it okay now, Robin?
Yes.
Right. According to the manual, it says that the diode is in the trunnion, and we put the plumb box in the trunnion, so on that way we can mark the fuel and we can find exactly the diode. On this way, if we mark the fuel, we can find exactly the point to make the measures to find the center of gravity, because all of measures pass from the center of gravity.
Okay, the center of gravity. Okay, that's what you are trying to calculate for your weight and balance project.
For weight and balance.
Okay, where did you find the location of the datum?
Okay, in according to the manual, it says that there are like 3 volts, and there is called like the trunnion point, and the datum is actually located over there. So we put the plumb box, we put the fluid, and we put it in that point, and used for weight and balance purpose, we put some tape exactly.
Okay, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you. I hope you enjoyed our video on how to weigh and balance the Mooney aircraft. I hope you all enjoyed. I hope you learned something. Bye.
Bye.